Thomas Edison is a bird. Let me explain. Marvel has a very strange relationship with historical figures. You have Stephen Hawking, part of the Royal Society, zombie Abraham Lincoln fighting Deadpool, and of course, today's video, Thomas Edison being a bird. For an unknown reason, a scientist named Gregory Knox decided to clone Thomas Edison. However, the DNA was contaminated with that of a bird, so the clone ended up looking like this. And as you'd expect, he's very insecure about this and became evil. But it was for a good cause, because he was actually the very first villain Miss Marvel took down.